Hello, young scientists. I'm Mixie, your friendly lab assistant. I may look like an ordinary flask, but I have some special abilities, like changing the color of my contents. This morning in the lab, something unexpected happened. A gust of wind knocked me off the shelf, and instead of flying across the room, I fell straight down onto a soft cushion. Phew! That got me thinking, what made me fall down and not float away? That's exactly what we're going to explore today. In this video, you'll learn 1. What gravity is, 2. How gravity works, and 3. Why gravity is important. Ready to discover the invisible force that pulled me to the ground? Let's dive in. So, what is gravity? Gravity is an incredible force that's always around us, even though we cannot see it. Gravity is a reason we stay on the ground and do not float off into space. But here's what it gets even more interesting. Gravity isn't just on Earth. It's a force of attraction between all objects that have mass. The bigger an object, the stronger its gravitational pull. Let's go ahead and see gravity in action. Grab a small object like a pencil or eraser. Hold it out in front of you and let it go. What happened? It fell straight down, right? That's gravity pulling the object toward the Earth. But gravity isn't just pulling things down here. It's happening everywhere in the universe. It's what keeps the moon orbiting around Earth and what keeps Earth orbiting around the sun. Pretty amazing, right? Now, did you know gravity isn't the same everywhere? On Earth, we feel a certain amount of gravity, but on the moon, the gravity is much weaker because the moon has less mass. That's why astronauts can take those giant, bouncy steps when they walk there. Here's a fun fact. If you weigh 100 pounds on Earth, you'd only weigh about 16 pounds on the moon. But your mass stays the same. Mass is how much stuff is inside you, and we'll explore that in more details in another video. Now let's talk about why gravity is so important. Without gravity, 1. We'd float away from Earth's surface. 2. Our atmosphere would drift off into space. 3. The oceans would spill off the planet. And 4. The moon would not orbit Earth, and Earth wouldn't orbit the sun. As you can see, gravity helps keep our planet and our entire solar system together. It's essential for life as we know it. Remember, even though we cannot see gravity, we can see its effect all around us. From the way things fall to the way planets move in space, gravity is always at work. Wow, you've learned so much about gravity today. You've discovered what gravity is, how it works, and why it's so important. For your excellent work in understanding this fundamental force of nature, I'm thrilled to award you an Argo Star. This star represents your growing knowledge of the forces that shape our universe. Just like gravity pulls objects together, your curiosity pulls you towards new discoveries. Let's go ahead and recap what we learned. Today, we learned that gravity is a force of attraction between all objects with mass. We learned that gravity is stronger for objects with more mass. And finally, we learned that gravity is essential for keeping our planet and solar system together. As for my little adventure this morning, now we know why I fell straight down instead of floating away. Gravity was there to catch me. Next time, we'll dive deeper into how gravity works in space. Until then, keep your feet on the ground and your mind soaring to the stars. Mixie here, saying goodbye for now, future scientists.
Subscribe now and continue your journey through the ArgoPrep universe. Let's make learning and adventure together. Visit ArgoPrep.com and start learning today.